So I'm right north of her, so I'll talk to her.
Hey everyone, it's JT Ippolito for Sync Media Network. We're here at CES Unveiled and we're showing you a new product, the AirSelfie, and we're going to let Greg show off and tell us about it.
All right, AirSelfie. So this is AirSelfie 2. We've actually launched this last year in September. It's a 12 megapixel, 1080p flying device. It's an aerial camera, what we call it. Here at CES, we're introducing 3 new products. The Air 100. This is a similar spec to our AirSelfie 2. 12 megapixel camera, 1080p video, but a plastic body and $100 retail.
Can't beat that.
We're launching a Air Zen. So this is a brand new technology. Nobody's ever done this before. We're going to toss it in the air. It's going to go up 10 feet. It'll take pictures and then just float back down into my hand. No smartphone needed. Just a very simple, I want to capture content. This will be 4K video.
Gosh, look at this on the screen. Go ahead.
And then our last product, which is called Air Duo. So now we're taking Air 2. We're putting 2 cameras in it. So we have a camera in the bottom and a camera here. So I can do both zenith and a parallel shot, 4K video.
Okay guys, this is bleeding edge technology. This is what you want. Leading edge products nobody wants anymore. So I want to thank Greg. Good luck with the Air 2 selfie.